We've had some horrible weather last week. As you saw, I flew in my plane because we couldn't take off with the helicopter. It was all clouded up and raining throughout. Today the weather's improved a little bit, as you can see behind me. The helicopter's coming down from Poland, and then I will continue to Bavaria, where I have a project going on in the Garmisch area in the hotel, and hopefully we can check some things there. And I have another viewing in Austria, so we're gonna do that. So I'm very happy with the project here. There is a lot of progress, and after this underfloor heating is done, we have the tiles to go in, which are massive, so it's gonna really look grand once it's all done up. Hopefully next month when we come in, I can video some of the rooms when they are a little bit more finished. So the underfloor heating is going in now, and look at the views outside. So we have some heavy tiles here. Each tile is 35 kilos. No matter how many times I come to Garmisch, a walk on the Eibsee is always a must. It's an amazing place. Can get a bit crowded sometimes here, so the best thing to do is get out on these little pathways into the forest if you want to avoid the crowds.
Cleared for takeoff.